Looking back to the garage today, we're going to do points. I think they're pretty simple. I'll give you some tips and tricks that I know, but let's get into it. So what we're going to start out with, obviously, is taking off the cap to get in here, set it off to the side, kind of make sure you know like for this one's really simple. 2 cylinders are very simple. Wires in the back, rotor, doesn't matter, it sits in a slot. Take off this other cap. What's it called? I don't know. Cap. There are points in condenser. I do recommend unhooking your battery, which I will do. Now obviously we're gonna need a little wrench to get that nut off right there, because that's right where these guys, you don't have to undo it entirely, just enough to slide those out, and flathead screwdriver. So let's get to that. All right, so I got the nut loosened. So this will just pull out, that goes to your condenser. This is the spring that holds tension on that. And I don't know if anybody noticed it or not, but I actually tried having this thing so it was down all the way, and it apparently rolled back, so I actually want to get that thing on a flat spot. That's a personal preference thing. Can I move this by hand right now? Almost. Because I like points to be closed when I start. So, sorry about that, that was terrible cameraing, but right now, if I put the new ones on, that should be closed. And take out that screw right up there. It shouldn't be too awful tight. And we'll set that off to the side. It's an oddball small one, so I definitely don't want to lose it. This thing should come out now. Yep. Until it just sits on that shaft. Same thing for the condenser. Small screw back here that you really can't see, and my lighting is not helping. So, yeah, that's all I gotta do to remove them. Let's get to installing. So my installation isn't the best showing because I've already slid it on that rod a little bit. I got it sitting through that screw. Go ahead and push that guy over and down. Get that guy shoved in the rest of the way, which I think we are down all the way actually, so that's good. Look at that, just a little bit more. Then you take this guy, slide him down in there as well, tighten your nut back up. I'm gonna look at that because I don't like how it looks. I think it needs to go down just a smidge more. There's a tiny gap down below. That's why my spring isn't happy in there yet. So I'm gonna fiddle with that. I need both hands. So I got everything replaced and everything in, and they're actually set pretty good. Because what I do is I use a business card, and it just barely squeezes in there. I can feel it pinching it just slightly. So that's right where I want the point set at. Yeah, there are actual measurements to how to do it. If you're unsure, don't have a business card, look it up. Each application could be different. This is where I had an old timer tell me to set them one time, and it's worked for me ever since. So, and then of course, run it back around, make sure they close all the way. Because if they don't, then you got other problems too. Then you got to adjust them more. As you can tell, no, you can't tell, but they are closed for me. So, yeah, I'm gonna say that's good where that's at. And obviously, reassemblies just like how you took it apart. Throw that guy on there. Like this one is a simple one. It can only go down in one spot, and when it does, you hear that audible click. I do have a new rotor. It does match the old one. So put that guy in there, and put this guy back on, and it should also click where it's happy. See right there, I can't turn it now. So, she's put in place. Clamp everything back down. I'm gonna go ahead and change spark plugs before I run anything, but yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. It's pretty simple, it doesn't take too long. I really don't have anything else for it, so thanks for watching.